What is going on, everyone? Gilman with Wellthy Stocks back with another Tesla update video. Tesla crossed the 700 mark today, so it's a big day, another big day rather for Tesla. 2020 has been an amazing year for Tesla. We'll take a look at how Tesla stock traded today, some key levels of support and resistance that we have coming up, and based on that, what we think Tesla stock can do going into the future. So with that, happy new year to all of you guys. Thank you for the continued support you've shown me in 2020. Hope to take that to the next level for you guys in 2021. So let's get right into the video. Thank you so much, guys. Let me hit record. We will get right into it. So as we can see, Tesla had another nice green day, up $10 for the day, 1.5%. Down a little after hours, but that keeps changing, so not too big of a deal. Compare that with the major indexes. We've got the NASDAQ up 0.14%, we've got the Dow up 0.55%, and we've got the S&P up 0.51% as well. So compared to that, Tesla was relatively strong, which is great. We like to see that, right? Let's take a look at how Tesla stock traded today, and we'll take a look at, what we've got coming up. So, right out of the gate, what we saw was yesterday at the closing, we were hitting up against this level, but in pre-market today, we had already crossed that, right? We were at 705s. So we broke that 700 level that we thought was going to be a little bit of a challenge to break. Right out of the gate, we came and we could not really break, or we could not really push up. So what happened was we sold off. As you can see, this level that we have drawn up, it kind of held up for 2 minutes and then went down, and when it came up, so not too bad of a level there. We only went $3 below this level before turning around, so not too bad. Pushed up, broke VWAP, continued upward, and this was a beautiful sight to see, right? We made it all the way to $718, and then Tesla was doing this weird thing that I haven't really seen it do for a while, where it was trading under like $1 or $2. I was in a small position at the time here, and it just wasn't doing anything, so I got out, and thankfully so, because then it just tanked. But yeah, so it was really flat for a while, and then it sold off and gave back a lot of what it kind of had made up, pushed up a little, and then closed up $10. But really, I mean, it went as high as 20 something dollars for the day. So great day for Tesla. Let's take a look at the hourly chart, and we can get a better idea of what the support and resistance looks like coming up. So now that we are above 700, I do think that the 700 mark, let me draw two lines kind of here. The first one I'll draw it at, kind of 699-ish, but really that's the 699, 700 mark, and then I'll draw another line right there that acted as a little bit of a resistance for us. So yeah, let's take a look here on what we have coming up in the future. So we are right here in between these two channels. If we go down, I think that 700 level should hold up as good support. That being said though, since we are up a little today and we were up decently yesterday, if we see a little bit more of a pullback, we could fall a little bit further, I think, also to the 694 level. But then we've got the 4-hour moving average coming in between this level, so I guess the 20-day moving average, but that's all the way at 679. I don't necessarily think we fall all the way to that level, but I do think that there's potential of a pullback, and it could break through this if it breaks through the 700 level, right? That's kind of the main support level that I'm talking about right now. We could see the 694 being tested, and if there's continued selling pressure, then we could see a little bit more of a sell-off, and it would stop, in my opinion, between the 694 and 678 level. But if the bullish momentum continues, if we see Tesla going up, then we could see it push up, and then the first level that we're watching is this 717 and 718 level. That's the level that I'm watching. It's also very possible that we see a little bit of a sell-off, a little bit of a bounce on the 700s, right, or the 699 rather, whatever you want to kind of call it or put on your chart, and then we see a push up towards this level. That being said, the amount that we're up yesterday and today is the only reason why I'm talking about a little bit of profit taking happening. But I do think that 2021 will be a great year for Tesla as we get more delivery numbers. We get another updates on the cars and the Cybertruck that they're producing and all that good stuff. So again, bullish, not saying that Tesla is going to crash or anything, but I do think that the possibility of a pullback is there after how much it has gone up in the 2 days. So if we see it breaking 700 and 694, then I think we go somewhere in between and kind of stop. On the other hand, we could see it bounce off of 700 and push up as well. So I think the 700 level is what I'm going to be watching if we start to go down, and I think how it acts there will kind of tell me how the stock will be moving forward. The other thing that I look at that you guys know is the EMA on the daily chart. It always closes above the 8 EMA in this whole huge run that it's had, other than literally one day here where we had a red candle and closed below it, right? So pushed up, up, up. We're above it. That 8 EMA is at 672. So we've got a tons of support before we get to that level, but I'm making sure that we stay above that level and close above that level. That's what I want to see out of Tesla. Let me know how you guys did with Tesla this week. I know it has had a decent run the past couple of days, and hopefully you guys were able to take advantage of some of that. Some of our levels of support and resistance worked really well this week, which I'm really happy about. So let me know how you guys did. Happy New Year to everyone. Thank you for the continued support. Let's remember to be a bit better every single day. Don't forget to like